Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own end screen, customize, and for completely free. So if you're ready, let's get straight into it. You have to go to this website called snapit.com. It's completely free, though you are limited to only 3 downloads a month. So you'll scroll down and see that there to the headers and banner section. You see YouTube channel art and YouTube end screen. Press YouTube end screen and then you have thousands of templates that you can pick. Any one of them are awesome templates. So I'm just going to pick this one right here. So the perfect thing about this is it has you can toggle the safe zone. So that means non-end screen elements cannot be here. You cannot put anything here. So if you want to put a video, you probably should move it about down here. All right, so I moved everything a little bit down. So then you can move the thanks for watching down a little. It doesn't have to be there. It can be anywhere because this is not an end screen element. So you can just put it there. So the subscribe can also be anywhere. Then you have your links, and you can also customize the background. You can change it to anything. You can change it to a color red, for example. So yeah, it looks really nice. You can also customize the text. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!